Hello friends, I am here with another amazing video about easy plastic bottle crafts for you. Here are some fun and creative ideas to reuse plastic bottles and turn them into amazing crafts, all while helping the environment. From home decor to fun toys, there is something for everyone in this video of easy plastic bottle crafts. It is hard to avoid purchasing items that are in plastic containers, so why not reuse them? In this video, I've shown over 40, more than 40 craft projects that use plastic bottles and they are quite creative. But before we get to that, I would like to tell you some benefits of using plastic containers in both adult and kid crafts. Environmental sustainability is the first thing. By reusing plastic bottles, you help reduce the amount of plastic waste that enters landfills and the environment, promoting environmental protection and conservation. Second one is cost effectiveness. Crafting with plastic bottles is inexpensive and budget friendly. Instead of spending your money on new materials, you can reuse plastic bottles. Versatility. Plastic bottles can be used for a wide variety of DIY projects, including candle holders, bird feeders, planters, and storage containers. Crafting with plastic bottles can be an educational activity, particularly for children. They can learn about recycling, environmental protection, and the benefits of reusing materials to reduce waste. If you walk around your home, you will start to notice all of the plastic bottles you have. In the bathroom, you have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion bottles. The kitchen and pantry have condiment bottles, cleaning supplies, drinks, which include water, soda, milk, juice, and more. Plus, you have laundry detergent, pill containers, motor oil, and on and on. So, if you can't avoid purchasing items in plastic bottles, which would be best? Use up the product and then reuse the container in crafting. In this video, you can get the ideas which help inspires you. Grab your recycling bin and gather plastic bottles for these fun craft ideas. Here you will find plastic bottle crafts that kids can make or use. Adults should cut or supervise the cutting of the plastic bottles. Make sure to sand them down so there are not any sharp edges before allowing children to play. Used plastic bottles can be made into handy serving bowls for snacks with plastic bottle art ideas. They can be decorated by painting the bowls with different designs and attractive colors. You can decide on the height and depth of a bowl while cutting the bottle. Plastic bottles can be made into elegant snack bowls by painting them with bright acrylic colors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.